What's up, guys? I'm sorry I'm not filming or doing videos that long, and I have a lot to do, so that's why I'm not too much really filming. And I just gonna say this, but I don't have a crush now. I don't have a crush on Amaya or anyone. So that's why I'm not talking to her, because yesterday we got in a fight there a crispy, and she win. I'm happy for her, but I don't have a crush now forever. Bye.